Welcome to Show Machshava on the Daf, share sponsor, Lui Nishvas Harim Yakushalom Le'Abbas Yitzchok. We're holding about Metzia Dafim Gimel. The Mishnah, in the end of Amud Beis, brings the Shita of Beis Shamai, that a choyshev lishloach yad b'pikodin. One who is thinking, that's a translation of the word, to do Shelichus yad, to touch a pikodin, he's already chayav. While Beis Hillel say, he actually has to do Shelichus yad in order to be chayav. Toys already points out that what it means here, a choyshev, doesn't mean think, but it means to speak. It means to say the dibur. While other Rishonim argue, and they hold that a choyshev means a thought, means a thought itself. This Machshava is Nugia and Kotchim. When we learn Kotchim, when a person has the wrong Machshava when he does Kotchim, so Toys already in Zvachim speaks about it, or we talk about a thought, or it has to be a dibur. Toys holds it has to be a dibur. It has to say something wrong. Just thinking doesn't work. And other Rishonim argue, and they say that a Machshava itself is already applicable to be used. It doesn't have to be dibur. So first, we'll mention that this seems to be a machlokes that has to do in Birkas HaTorah between the Shulchan Aruch and the Vilna Gaon. The question is thinking and learning required to do Birkas HaTorah or not? The Shulchan Aruch says, "Hameharer b'divrei Torah eina tzorich levarach." You don't have to do Birkas HaTorah, just thinking and learning. The Vilna Gaon argues. The Vilna Gaon says in the pasuk, "Ve'gisa bo yom alad," you have to think and learning. So of course you need to do a bracha when you're thinking and learning. Seems that Shorish Machlokes is the same. In this world, do we have any importance, any validity to Machshava? Or Machshava is beyond this world? You don't do a bracha on Machshava, and Machshava cannot ruin Kotchim, and Machshava cannot cause Shelichus yad. The Shulchan Aruch, and based on the Tosfos says in our Sugya, say Machshava in this world is beyond the level of this world. This world is Olam Hadibur. And therefore nobody will say that Machshava alone should make a difference. While the Rishonim that argue in Tosfos and the Vilna Gaon, they say that in this world Machshava does have already existence, and you could have a tzad, have a bracha on it, and it could be a Beis Shamai that say that even if you don't do Shelichus yad, you have in the Machshava. And just to mention, concluding this point, that I heard this from my Rebbe, Moshe Shapir Zatzal, that in Kabbalah we have 5 stages for something to come out to fruition. Stage 1 is the ratzon, the will. Someone wants to do something. Stage 2 is the Machshava. Now he has an idea. Stage 3 is the hirur. Hirur means to develop an idea in someone's mind. Stage 4 is the dibur, when he's verbalizing it. And stage 5, it's the maaseh, when it comes out, the maaseh in the world. So explain Rav Moshe, the discussion, the machlokes of the Shulchan Aruch and the Vilna Gaon, and according to what we're learning, the machlokes between Tosfos and the Rishonim, is now regarding Machshava. Machshava, everybody agrees, is beyond the realm of this world. We talk about hirur, stage 2. Machshava is the idea. The idea you can't really define in this world. Hirur means to think in your mind the words that you're about to verbalize. That is something that there's a discussion. Is that considered to be already a dibur or not? Meaning that what we mentioned before, that this world is Olam HaDibur, is applicable to this discussion as well. This is Olam HaDibur. Is hirur kedibur? Do we hold the thinking and verbalizing something once thought is like a dibur or not? That is the base of this discussion over here. 2 additional beautiful oris on this point. A, Rav Yosef Engel in the Sefer Beis Oitza, Mareches Bes Klal Beis, says that B'Chal B'Sil, that what they're arguing in our Mishnah is a machlokes l'shitosam. We know Rashi brings beginning of Chumash the Betchila Olo Machshava Livrus Oilam Amidas Adin. The original idea was to create this world in a world of judgment of din. But then Kashmol saw the world would not exist, so therefore he created Amidas Arachavim. Kayadu al pi Arizal, we spoke about it in a previous year. Beis Shamai are Midas Adin, and Beis Hillel represent Midas Arachavim. So it says of Yosef Engel, Beis Shamai, that they're Midas Adin, they go with the fact that Machshava is very important. Because B'tchila Machshava liver soil Midas Adin. So Beis Shamai, that they're more noited to din, they hold Machshava is more important than dibur. And Beis Hillel, that they hold that Lamaisa, we go with Midas Arachavim. So for them, you have to have an actual Maaseh, and Machshava only is not enough. That's the Or of Yosef Engel. And in the Sefer Pardes Yosef, Pashas Yisroi, he has another nikuda. He says like this. He says, we know the Machshava Tova Kadosh Baruch Hu mitzar for l'maisa. A good Machshava Kadosh Baruch Hu adds it to the maisa, and Machshava Ra Kadosh Baruch Hu is not mitzar for l'maisa. So it says, the Pardes Yosef, that l'chor depends on Machlokes Beis Shamai and Beis Hillel. Because according to Beis Shamai, a person is thinking of doing Shelichus is already chayav. So he has a Machshava Ra, it's already joining the maisa. Beis Hillel say no, just thinking something bad doesn't do anything unless you don't do the maisa. So he says that's why Beis Hillel and Beis Shamai argue if noach l'adam shenivra mishaloi nivra or not. Is it good for Adam to be created in the world or not? Beis Shamai say no. So he explains why not. Because according to Beis Shamai, what is there is more, mitzvahs or averos? Well, what is more lois haseh or eseh? Lois haseh is the nose of Torah. The nose of Torah is or shasa, 365. The eseh is Torah, the do of Torah is ramach, 248. So there's more no's than yes. So Beis Shamai, it's better not to be created and go to a place where you have more no's than yeses. But Beis Hillel say, the Machshava Tova Kadosh Baruch Hu mitzar for l'maisa, but not Machshava Ra. So even though there's less mitzvahs essay, but mitzvahs essay you have the mitzvah and you have also the Machshava of the mitzvah. But by mitzvahs lois, by averis, you have the ma'aseh, you don't have the Machshava. So mitzvahs essay is really double. So Beis Shamai, l'shitasim, the whole the Machshava is always counted. They say it's better for a person not to be created than being created. But according to Beis Hillel, the Machshava is counted only when you do something good, not when you do something bad. So then, toiv l'adam shenivra mishaloi nivra. Two beautiful ha'aris in the suga from G'dayei Ha'adoros. Anyone want to join the Shom Machshava email list to WhatsApp, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.